A diplomatic row has erupted between Italy and the United States after President Donald Trump claimed that Italian Premier Giorgia Meloni had begged for a photograph with him during the recent G7 summit. The Italian government strongly rejected the remark. Meloni described the claim as completely fabricated and said neither she nor Italy would ever beg for a photo opportunity. She said she was stunned by the comment and questioned Trump's approach towards key allies. Meloni also pointed to differences with Trump on major international issues, including the wars in Gaza and Ukraine, as well as policy towards Iran. This prompted Italy to cancel a planned visit to the United States by Foreign Minister Antonio Tajani, signaling growing diplomatic discomfort. Italy's Defense Minister Guido Crosetto also dismissed Trump's claim. He said Meloni would never beg for a photograph under any circumstances and warned that such remarks could damage relations with allies.